Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing good. So for today's video, you guys, I am so excited. We are going to be unboxing. I'm going to be giving you my first impressions of Fenty freaking Skin. Baby, it's been a long time coming. I am so happy that Rihanna has come out with this collection. I think it is amazing that she's opened so many doors and showed like she's just a boss ass bitch. Like, you know, like she just does her thing and I absolutely love her. Her products are amazing when it comes to her beauty line, so I'm hoping for the best when it comes to her skincare. I actually just got this package literally like an hour ago, so there's gonna be two parts to this video. This first video I'm posting right now is part one, which is me unboxing, showing you guys how your package is gonna come, you know, going over the packaging and showing you the actual products and what I think about the overall, you know, product. Then I'll be filming a part two, which will probably come, I would say, in about 3 weeks to a month. The reason why I want to film a part two is because I want to take time and use only her skincare for an entire month. I want to use it to wash my makeup off. I want to use it the entire month to do all the things that it claims to do. I want to do that with it and I want to put it to the test. The reason why I'm doing it for an entire month is because normally for an adult, your skin cycle is about 28 days. So as far as like the amount of collagen you produce, new skin cells, all that good stuff, it really like it rotates and turns over monthly. So it's kind of unfair for you to judge skincare off the bat because you got to use it multiple times and see how your skin reacts to it and how your skin just soaks it in, and you know, so that's why I'm going to film a part two, so look forward to that. And I will show you guys little snippets and like I'll check in here and there and show you guys how the process is coming along, but that will probably be coming in the next month or so, so look forward to that video. But if you want to see how Fenty Skin looks and all the goodies in here, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna jump right into it. First of all, when I found out she was coming out with the skincare line, I feel like when the whole world found out, like we were all just like, we were anticipating. Like this past year has been a lot going on, as we all know. So as far as like the beauty industry, I feel like it's kind of taken the fall back because it's kind of hard to launch things and stuff like that when we have all these things going on with the pandemic and just everything. So there's certain things that have happened where, you know, it's like we have cool launches here and there, but I think this is, I would say this is one of the few launches so far this year that I have been extremely excited for. So I'm definitely excited about this. So when you open the box, it comes like this. So it comes with your packing slip showing you what you got. And the inside says Fenty Skin, super cute. Looks like it's like an airbrush thing. And obviously the paper and stuff. So I got her full 3 products. Now, mind you, she does sell the 3 products as a set of, which would be a total of $75. It is a lot cheaper than buying them separately. If you do buy all 3, you might as well buy the set because it saves you like, I think $15 if I'm not correct, something around there. So saves you, you know, a little bit of money. So that's good that she did that. I like that. But so it comes like this. So this is the Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen, and it is 1.7 fluid ounces. And that looks like this. This is how the packaging looks like. I hope you guys can see it. I know my lights are a little bright. And then we have the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser, and this is 4.9 fluid ounces, and that looks like this. And I would say the color is like a very lilac-y, light blue, kind of gray. Like it's very cool toned. It's very sleek. It's very universal, and I can definitely see why she marketed this for both genders, because I don't see why a guy would be intimidated with a bottle that looks like this. So I really like the way she did her packaging. And last but not least, we have the Fat Water, which is a pore refining toner serum, and this is 5 fluid ounces, and it looks like this. So far, my first impressions on the packaging, I really like it. It's very, very, very sleek and chic, which I I'm all about, like, you know, you ain't gotta do all that, you know, just keep it nice, modern, clean, cute. And I really like that. It's definitely user friendly, definitely approachable. So she marketed it very, very well. I do notice with these two, there's no top. You basically, like, for example, for this, you just turn it and that's how you open it. So now you can squeeze it out, and to close it, you just turn it back. I think that's really, really cool, and I think it's the same for this as well. Now, I do know her Hydra Visor, which is the moisturizer with sunscreen. It is refillable. So let me open it and see how it looks like. Okay, I see. So you open it, it looks like this. So this is the compartment that I guess you keep yourself and where you put your product in. And then the actual product itself comes in a tube that looks like this. So I'm assuming you put it inside and you do that, and that's it. And you can push it. This is how you close it. You turn this little bottom part to close, and to open it, it's just like that, and close. So I really like that. It's very eco-friendly. The fact that you can buy refills of, you know, this. You don't have to keep buying the full thing. Just buy this and plop it on in there. So I think that is very, very eco-friendly, and that's very cool and innovative. So that's really nice. I like that. Now, let's get into these ingredients. Okay, so since I started esthetician school, I mean, I've always taken skincare very seriously. I've fallen in love and grown a love for skincare within the past 2 to 3 years. But now I'm I'm taking it super duper seriously because I'm going to school for it, and it's a passion of mine. And you know, it's not just about products anymore. It's not just about how it looks. Like, ingredients are where it's at and what matters and what's going to give you results. So I'm gonna go ahead and look over some of these ingredients and give you my opinion on them. So we're gonna start off with the moisturizer, the Hydra Visor, sorry. So the first ingredient is always water, which is good because water is hella hydration, which this entire line promotes hydration, moisturized, not stripped skin. So I'm getting that whole vibe with everything that she's putting out. There's glycerin, niacinamide in there. That's really, really good. Hyaluronic acid. You guys know I love hyaluronic acid. It keeps your moisture for a long, long time on your skin. There's a bunch of stuff in here, but the main first couple of ingredients are ingredients that are very, very good for your skin. So that's really, really good. And it has an SPF of 30, which honestly, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. My teacher told me, you know how you have people have sunscreens that are like 40, 50, 60, 70, like honestly, all you need is a SPF 30. Anything that's over SPF 30 is just a gimmick. It's just trying to get more money out of you. You don't need anything more than SPF 30. As long as you have SPF 30, you're good to go. You definitely do need at least 30. So if you get something that's a SPF 50 or above, that's fine, but it's gonna do the same thing that what a SPF 30 would do. It's not any stronger, it's not any better. So take that and run with it however you would like, but SPF 30 is really all you need when it comes to protecting your face. So, which does come in the moisturizer, which is really, really good. So I know some people, when it comes to skincare, can be very intimidating because of how many products there are in the market, and you know, it's overwhelming. So I think she did a really, really good job by marketing her products to be approachable and very easy, and everything kind of does 2 things or more, which makes it very convenient for a beginner in skincare as well as people who just ain't got the time. So I really, really like that she marketed her products that way. I love that. I actually love that. That's awesome. I'm really interested to try this cleanser because I really want to put it to the test, especially when it comes to removing makeup, because it claims that it removes makeup. So we're going to try that out. I'm gonna show you guys. You guys will see all of that in the next part 2. So look out for it and watch it, because you're gonna see all the juiciness and the goodness of me using these products throughout the month and what I think about it, and I'll give you my final review. But I'm really interested in trying out this cleanser. Yeah, definitely very interested. But from what it looks like, it says hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. So that should be really good. It's a very decent size, very, very big. So this will last you a while. And the toner serum is really interesting to me because when you hear toner, toners tend to be very liquidy. It's usually something you know, squirt out in a pad and you just wipe it on your face. But this is like a toner slash serum. So the stuff that I've been seeing, it's like a little thicker than a toner, so it's like a serum kind of. So I'm very interested to try this. I don't have anything in my collection that's something like this, so I'm actually kind of excited to try this out. And it says it instantly refines the look of pores, reducing the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. So as you can see, all of her products are all about not stripping the skin, keeping the skin very hydrated and moisturized while also purifying. So I'm assuming that's what I'm getting from everything that I'm reading. But yeah, so this is part 1 of the Fenty skin review. I showed you guys the unboxing, showed you guys the products and what I think about it from just first impressions. So make sure you watch the next one that I upload, which is going to be part 2, which will be coming up in a couple weeks. Like I said, I want to give this product a genuine review. I want to genuinely try it out. I want to put it to work and see if it's something that I would recommend and if it's something that even does anything. Because come on, let's keep it real. Everybody comes out with stuff. Some things work, some things don't. And you know, I mean, hey, it is what it is. So if you guys are interested in seeing and finding out whether Fenty skin is where it's at, then make sure you stay tuned because I got all the tea on the next one. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel and join the fam. And I will see you guys on the next one.